Second wife is not Shubh for you.
She was Shanti Bai, but presently
Shanti-
she created Ashanti for this appellant. my lord.
शांति तो अपने आप इनवाइट किया, शांति आपने, शांति अपने आप थोड़ी आई.
जी जी. So, honorable
Question is, the day you entered in service, you are already having two wives.
yes, my lord.
So then,
It is not the allegation. Charge sheet may kindly be seen, my lord, for the moment. my lord.
charge sheet में
Page number 13. Mentioned here, page number 13.
yes.
ऐसा कि मनोज साल्वे सुरक्षा सैनिक ने मंडल में सेवा प्रारंभ करते समय 15/2/90 को प्रस्तुत भविष्य में नामांकन में पत्नी सावित्री बाई को नामांकित किया. उसके पश्चात दिनांक 16/10/2006 को प्रस्तुत लिखित भविष्य में नामांकन दो पत्नी सावित्री साल्वे एवं श्रीमती शांति साल्वे को नामांकित किया है. इस तरह इनके द्वारा एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरा विवाह किया गया है, जो कि शासकीय सेवक होने के नाते मध्य प्रदेश सिविल सेवा आचरण नियम 1965 का स्पष्ट उल्लंघन है. They are taking action that you have violated.
तो आपने डिस्क्लोज किया है उन्हें, सुनो, उन्हें राइटली प्रिज्यूम,
जी जी
क्योंकि पहले अब 90 में एक वाइफ इसका नाम लिया,
जी जी.
फिर सेकंड का जब लिया तो इनको यही लगा ना कि आपने सेकंड मैरिज की है. जो सेकंड मैरिज भी होती है
जी जी.
ट्राइब्स में, वो फर्स्ट मैरिज को पहले तलाक होता है, फिर सेकंड मैरिज होती है. फर्स्ट मैरिज से तलाक होता है,
जी.
फिर सेकंड मैरिज है.
Both have filed their affidavit along with the reply
दोनों
that with the consent of first wife, she has stated in affidavit.
दैट इज ट्रू.
Because for long period there was no issues from first wife.
पर ये
And on the
ये कोई ग्राउंड होता है कि ऐसी इशू नहीं है, बहुतों में इशू नहीं है. दैट डजंट मीन यू कंटिन्यू टू हैव देयर. अगर सेकंड का भी नहीं हो, थर्ड का भी नहीं हो,
but the punishment
you
is
continue to
my
get
lord, but the punishment is disproportionate, my lord. It is very harsh and excessive. Honorable division bench of this honorable court in two cases, my lord, has decided that only the punishment of stoppage of
show us if it is on the similar fact.
yes, my lord.
बच्चे नहीं थे, आप चाइल्ड अडॉप्ट कर लो, ऑर्फन चाइल्ड लो, उनको पेरेंट्स मिलेंगे, आपको बच्चा मिलेगा.
This appellant, who belongs to scheduled tribe Korku candidate, he was in the service in MPB on the post of class 4 security guard, my lord. It was the allegation that he performed second marriage without taking prior permission from employer, my lord. He was given so cause notice that he has violated the service condition rule 1965, that is rule 22, and that rule is not applicable in the case
No, the second marriage is without prior permission.
here it is the case of this appellant that he entered into the service as security guard on 1/2/2019, while he performed both marriages before entering into the service. First marriage was in the year 1981, and second marriage, because he was not having any issues for long time from that first wife, that's why he performed second marriage in the year 1986, my lord.
1986.
1986. And my lord, thereafter on 15/2/1990, he filled up the nomination form giving the detail of first wife, my lord.
Which date?
On 15/2/1990.
90.
Ji. He gave the detail in nomination form.
First wife.
First wife, my lord. But it is the result of to this appellant that he gave correct information of second wife in the year 2007, my lord.
2007.
He gave the he filled up the second nomination form.
So second wife is not Shubh for you.
She was Shanti Bai, but presently
शांति
she created Ashanti for this appellant, my lord.
शांति तो अपने आप इनवाइट किया, शांति आपने, शांति अपने आप थोड़ी आई.
जी जी. So honorable court, writ court has dealt with the case that he has violated rule 6 of Madhya Pradesh Civil Services General Condition of Service Rules 1961. While this rule is not applicable for him, employer himself,
Rule 6.
My lord,
Sure.
Rule 6 of Madhya Pradesh Civil Services General Condition of Service Rule 1961. His case has been dealt with by learned Red Court. While he was charge-seated, departmental inquiry was held regarding the charge of misconduct.
Just rule 6, just come to the rule 6.
It is for disqualification
Right.
for the candidate who is desiring to
No male candidate who
appointment.
has more than one wife living, and no female candidate who has married a person having already a wife living shall be eligible for appointment to any service or post.
Ji.
But this is the regarding
It is not applicable for appellant.
yes, this is regarding the appointment.
Yes, my lord.
He was already in service.
Ji. And charge sheet was given. Charge sheet was given that he has violated the Service Conduct Rule 1965. That is Rule 22.
Just that. 86 from the first February to August. Sir, when you entered in service,
He entered into service my lord,
First February,
on 15 to 1990. 15/2/1990.
15/2
जी
15/2/1990 में सर्विस में आए,
जी
और जब आपने कहा कि वाइफ एक है
जी
तो
sorry
नो आई नो ही इज ऑलरेडी मैरिड because first marriage 81, second is 86, already married before entering the service.
and he entered in service on 1/2/1990. 1 फरवरी 1990.
And by that time you are not aware whether he married twice or not. He concealed. So then you have to face the consequences.
There is no concealment.
It is concealment.
जी
Listen, in 1990, when you entered in service
जी
and given the name of your first wife,
जी
you should have given both the wives. Then
he realized his mistake, my lord. Thereafter, in the year 2007, he filled up the second nomination form. Then the employer took action against this.
but question is the day you entered in service, you are already having two wives.
Yes, my lord.
So then
It is not the allegation. Charge sheet may kindly be seen, my lord, for the moment. My lord.
charge sheet में
Page number 13. Charges levied are mentioned here, page number 13.
yes.
ऐसा कि मनोज सावे सुरक्षा सैनिक ने मंडल में सेवा प्रारंभ करते समय 15/2/90 को प्रस्तुत भविष्य में नामांकन में पत्नी सावित्रीबाई को नामांकित किया। उसके पश्चात दिनांक 16/10/2006 को प्रस्तुत उल्लिखित भविष्य में नामांकन दो पत्नी सावित्री साल्वे एवं श्रीमती शांति साल्वे को नामांकित किया है। इस तरह इनके द्वारा एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरा विवाह किया गया है, जो कि शासकीय सेवक होने के नाते मध्य प्रदेश सिविल सेवा आचरण नियम 1965 का स्पष्ट उल्लंघन है। They are taking action that you have violated.
तो आपने डिस्क्लोज किया है उन्हें, सुनो, उन्हें राइटली प्रिज्यूम,
जी जी
क्योंकि पहले अब 90 में एक वाइफ इसका नाम लिया,
जी जी
फिर सेकंड का जब लिया तो इनको यही लगा ना कि आपने सेकंड मैरिज की है, राइट?
जी
तो राइटली टर्मिनेटेड.
It is not misconduct, my lord. This
It is
honorable court in two
Having two wives is not a misconduct.
my lord, but the reply has not been considered, and employer at first occasion has proposed punishment for stoppage of 2 increments with cumulative effect. First time they proposed, that is page number 27, my lord. And second day, this termination order has been passed, my lord. I have filed the reply that we are governed by our own rituals, my lord. He has given the reason.
आपके कस्टम्स में है टू मैरिज अलाउड, आपके कस्टम में है कि टू मैरिज अलाउड?
My lord, my reply may kindly be seen.
आप बताइए, हम पूछ रहे हैं, कस्टम्स में है तो बताइए.
Yes, my lord. He's Korku scheduled tribe.
नो शेड्यूल टाइम, ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. अगर कस्टम्स में है कि भाई कस्टम में है तो उसके कस्टम्स के लिए यू हैव टू गिव सम एग्जांपल्स कि ये भी हुआ पहले, ऐसा होता है. आपने ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहा.
मतलब
जो सेकंड मैरिज भी होती है द ट्राइब्स में, वो फर्स्ट मैरिज को पहले तलाक होता है, फिर सेकंड मैरिज होती है.
first marriage.
फर्स्ट मैरिज से तलाक होता है,
जी।
फिर सेकंड मैरिज है।
Well, both have filed their affidavit along with the reply
दोनों
that with the consent of first wife, she has stated in affidavit.
दैट इज ट्रू,
Because for long period, there was no issues from first wife.
पर ये
And on the,
ये कोई ग्राउंड होता है कि ऐसी इशू नहीं है, बहुतों पे इशू नहीं है, दैट डजंट मीन यू कंटिन्यू टू हैव देयर, अगर सेकंड का भी नहीं हो, थर्ड का भी नहीं होता,
but the punishment
you
is,
continue to
my
get
lord, but the punishment is disproportionate, my lord. It is very harsh and excessive. Honorable Division Bench of this Honorable Court in two cases, my lord, has decided that only the punishment of stoppage of.
show us if it is on the similar fact.
Yes, my lord.
If in the same issue,
Yes,
if the judgments are there,
It's the petitioner himself has confessed to the fact that the fact that he has been married twice is not because he belongs to a certain tribe, but because he wanted to have children and he could not have children with his first wife, and that is the reason why he married for the second time. It's not some customary practice that he's been adhering to. He got married for the second time just.
बच्चे नहीं थे, आप चाइल्ड अडॉप्ट कर लो, ऑर्फन चाइल्ड लो, उनको पेरेंट्स मिलेंगे, आपको बच्चा मिलेगा। यस, बताइए।
Yes, sir. Prior to employment may not at all arise therefore. Same was the condition in the case of this appellant. Prior to employment may not at all arise therefore. It is the second marriage during the lifetime of first wife. In this case also, which I am reading.
Come to again the charge against you.
Charge against me, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 13.
Page number 13.
जी।
Yes.
ऐसा कि मैंने कांग्रेस सुरक्षा सैनिक ने मंडल में सेवा प्रारंभ करते समय दिनांक 15/2/90 को प्रस्तुत भविष्य नामांकन में पत्नी सावित्री बाई को नामांकित किया। उसके पश्चात दिनांक 16/10/2006 को प्रस्तुत पुनरीक्षण भविष्य नामांकन दो पत्नी श्रीमती सावित्री सावित्री को नामांकन। इस तरह इनके द्वारा एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरा विवाह किया है, जो शासकीय सेवक होने के नाते मध्य प्रदेश सिविल आचरण नियम 65 के स्पष्ट उल्लंघन है। Second, this is important.
Yes. Listen, this is a misconduct, you say. Just listen first. Misconduct is if while service he performed the second marriage. Right. That sir, listen, let us complete. That is the misconduct. If he already married and entered in service, that is a disqualification. So therefore, your charge is totally contrary to the rules.
But he entered service by concealing the fact that he is already.
But that is not the charge.
If only
आपका चार्ज यही और आपका चार्ज डिफरेंट होना चाहिए था इनसे पूछ के कि भी शादी कब की, तब बताता, फिर बताते हैं कि आपने कंसील किया। सेकंड चार्ज, कम टू दैट।
ये कि मनोज साले जीवित पत्नी के रहते दूसरी विवाह करने को विभाग से कोई अनुमति प्राप्त नहीं की है। There was no reason because prior to entry into service he performed.
अगेन मिसकंडक्ट। तो सर्विस में रहते नहीं की इसने, उससे पहले की है। आपका चार्ज ही गलत है। जस्ट कंटिन्यू 230 मिनट। जी मैडम। The present appeal has been filed on the grounds inter alia that the the writ court has not appreciated the facts correctly that the respondents have not dealt with the case in Department of Inquiry, applying the provisions of MP Civil Services General Condition of Service Rule 1961, and thus the writ court would not have given finding that because of Rule 6 of Rule 61, the appellant was disqualified from being appointed as security in respondent's institution. The appellant was unaware about provisions of Rule 6 of MP Civil Services Rule 61, which qualify him from service, except this charge. Appellant was not having any other disqualification, complaint, inquiry, or any criminal prosecution, and served in the department for 28 years with utmost satisfaction to the employer. And because of non-mentioning the fact regarding second marriage, he cannot be terminated from the services. Stop. Para. Clerk counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant submitted that on 24th September 2007, he submitted his explanation to the show cause notice about reasons of performing second marriage. However, the respondent employer was partly satisfied and proposed for punishment of stoppage of 2 increments with cumulative effect, but why termination order is passed, that has not been considered by the writ court. Stop. The said court has lost sight and not considered important fact that appellant that in the religion of the appellant belong to it is scheduled tribes or scheduled tribes? Huh?
Scheduled tribe, Korku.
Scheduled tribes, Korku, Korku, and in his religion, they are governed with their personal law, and if they are bestowed with the children, they can perform second marriage, prevailing the norms regarding rituals and customary rights of the tribe community. More so, the writ court lost its sight that due to ignorance of law, he could not reflect and convey the fact of having second wife, and he was having the reason of performing second wife as his first wife remained issueless for about 6 years. It is further submitted that the writ court should have held that employer should punish the appellant, applying lenient view because of having performed second marriage. He must not be terminated from the service, as same is harsh and excessive punishment in comparison to his conduct. Stop. This vital aspect has also been ignored by the writ court, that no complaint from other source was given to the employer regarding performing second marriage, but appellant by his own reflected and conveyed this fact to the employer, submitting second nomination form on 16/10/2006. Stop. Yeah. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent has opposed the present appeal by submitting that the writ court has considered all the facts and passed the reasoned order by dismissing the writ petition filed by the appellant herein. Thus, no interference is required from this court. Stop. It is not in dispute that the petitioner, the appellant, entered in service on 15th February 1990. Stop. 1990. It is also not in dispute that the appellant first marriage had taken place in the year 91 and second marriage in the year 96. Stop.
86, 1981 and 1986.
91 and 86.
81 and 86.
Achha, sorry, yeah, 81 and 86. 81, 86. Stop. While entering in service, he mentioned name of his first wife. What is name?
Savitri Bai.
In nomination dated 15 February 90. Stop. However, thereafter, in the year 2006, what is the date? 2006. He entered his name of his second wife. What is name? Shanti Bai.
Shanti Bai. जी.
Shanti. Shanti Bai. Stop. But
16/10/2006.
the respondent has terminated the service of the petitioner under Rule 6, right?
No, my lord. There is no mentioning of rule.
Based upon the misconduct as committed by the appellant that while in service he entered in the second marriage, whereas no divorce has taken from the first wife. Stop. It is not in dispute that the appellant married in 1981, first time married in 1981, and with second wife in 1986. Stop. 86, well before he entered in the service. Stop. Thus, the charge against the appellant that he entered in the second marriage while leaving the first wife and thus committed the misconduct. Stop. The charge itself is wrong, and based upon that, the department inquiry conducted, despite the stand taken by the appellant that he did not enter in the second marriage while in service. The said fact has been ignored, and the petition is terminated from the service based upon the misconduct committed by the appellant. Stop. As per Rule 6 of MP Civil Service Rule, an employee, if entered into second marriage, he can be disqualified slash terminated from the service. Stop. Based upon that, when that they could have issued the charge sheet that he concealed the fact that he had two wives before entering in the service. Stop. It is clearly case of the respondent that he entered his name of the first wife in the year 1990 and second wife in the year 2006. Stop. Thus, the charge itself is based upon the wrong grounds and misconduct which he has not committed while in service. Stop. The learned civil judge, the learned writ court has not considered this fact, and thus the writ petition has been dismissed wrongly. Stop. Para. In view, we hereby set aside the same and appeal is allowed. What is the position? He has age or out?
Lord, he is currently running 64 years.
Since
He's retired, my lord.
since the appellant has already retired from service, therefore respondents are directed The appellant shall be entitled 50% back wages from the date of termination
Right.
till the date of the date of the superannuation.
But in those cases which I have cited, in those cases only stoppage of one increment was imposed, my lord, punishment for identically situated persons. In those cases was also before entering into service, he performed 2 marriages, my lord. And Honorable Division Bench held that in preposition of law, considering the preposition of law, it is appropriate that the award of stoppage of one increment should be given.
In fact, here 4 charges were leveled against him.
आप गलत समझ रहे हैं, हमने तो ऑर्डर ही सेटिस्फाइड कर दिया वो.
But in fact,
हम
लेकिन
तो
50% बैक पेज कार्ड कर रहे हैं.
because no work no pay. However, we are granted 50%. At this, the
55%.
at the descent period shall be considered as he was in service. Accordingly, his pension shall also be fixed accordingly. Stop. It is made clear that the arrear shall be paid within 4 weeks from the receipt of 4 weeks from today. Failing which the appellant shall be entitled 8% interest on the delayed payment.
Areas as well as all the title dues, my lord.
Right, areas or retired dues.
but in fact, 4 charges were framed, my lord. Not 1, my lord. 4 charges were framed against him. my lord.
Four charges लिख देना उसमें जो भी है. But this charge was not there.
My lord, if your lordship see, आपके द्वारा जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरा विवाह किया.
Sorry?
आपके द्वारा एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरे विवाह किया गया.
नहीं, पर दूसरा विवाह कब किया गया?
सर, पहली सर्विस के इंटरव्यू पहले में सर.
आप देखो, आपने कंसीलमेंट पे नहीं किया
सर,
क्योंकि बिफोर एंटरिंग इन सर्विस ही ऑलरेडी मैरिड.
तीसरा चार्ज आप देखेंगे कंसीलमेंट पे है, सर.
दिखाओ.
आपके द्वारा जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरे विवाह की या विवाह को कोई सूचना नहीं दी गई थी.
तो यह था विभाग में था ही नहीं,
नहीं सर,
तो विभाग को क्या सूचना देता?
सर उसके बाद तो
आपका यही तो प्रॉब्लम है, आपका जो चार्ज है वो डिफेक्टिव है. आपकी कैसे सूचना देता जब वो डिपार्टमेंट में था ही नहीं? डिपार्टमेंट को क्या सूचना देता?
जब एंट्री किया तब सर.
एंट्री किया तब
sir, because that's a disqualification under the conduct rules, my lord. That is a disqualification under Rule 22 of the conduct rules.
मिसकंडक्ट कहाँ पे है?
MP civil.
मिसकंडक्ट क्या है उसमें?
Sir, this is.
फोर्थ दिखाना, एक मिनट. फोर्थ चार्ज दिखाओ दोबारा. चार्ज.
If your lordship sees.
एक सेकंड. P2. Yes. Yes. अच्छा, ये come to पेज. This is क्या पेज है ये? पेज 11.
हाँ, अच्छा है. P2 में.
पेज 11.
जी मैडम. Yes.
आपके तो जीवित रहते हुए दूसरा विवाह किया, एक पत्नी के जीवित रहते हुए, राइट? यू आर नॉट कंसर्न्ड बिकॉज ही वाज नॉट सर्विस टू. आपके द्वारा एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए द्वितीय विवाह के पूर्व विभाग से कोई अनुमति नहीं प्राप्त की क्योंकि थर्ड, आपके द्वारा एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए द्वितीय की गई समय विभाग को कोई सूचना दी क्योंकि वो भी नहीं देगा ये. और फोर्थ, एक जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए आपके द्वारा द्वितीय विवाह करने के कारण हिंदू विवाह अधिनियम का उल्लंघन किया तो किया, ठीक है. That's all. उससे आपको क्या है?
At least third one would be, my lord.
पर उससे कहाँ लिखा आपने?
At least third one says, at least he should have informed, my lord.
नहीं, पर कहाँ लिखा आपने वो?
आपके द्वारा जीवित पत्नी के रहते हुए दूसरे विवाह की तथा समय.
विभाग को जब इसने शादी की तो विभाग में नहीं था.
सर, जब ज्वाइन किया तब की बात कह रहा हूँ सर मैं.
आपने कहाँ लिखा है इसने? कि when you entered in the service you did not disclose the second wife.
That for submission.
वही बात है, अब तुम्हारी गलती को हम कैसे सुधारें?
That I'm not saying. But that would be my
तो
submission.
वो वही तो देखना चाहिए आपको। जब पता लगा था कि इसने 2 दिया, उससे सीधा पूछते भी ये शादी कब की आपने?
And we only came to know when he filed a revised nomination form.
वो that is 2006.
Yes, that time we came to
Yes, sir. 2006 when you come to know the second wife name, you
Manoj.
should have asked भाई ये second कब की और first से थी तो इसे तलाक क्या हुआ? वो पूछ के then you should have framed the charge.
Let's
हाँ, conduct rule का charge था,
Conduct-
disqualification का charge ही नहीं है ना।
No, Manoj. But 20 MP Civil Service Conduct Rule 22 bigamous marriage prohibits, my lord.
वही तो conduct होगा during service,
That's
वो नहीं है। That's what the budget. Anyway, thank you very much.
much obliged.